I'm not interested in playing for number two. I want to play for number one.
While everyone is obsessing over which AI is smarter, this one phone call could have just broken Google's search monopoly in the world's biggest market.
Perplexity. It's an AI search engine startup looking to take on Google. The CEO and co-founder Aravind Srinivas. Perplexity is an AI answer engine backed by Jeff Bezos and NVIDIA, just to name a few.
Is another fast-growing player in that space who wants a much bigger piece of that pie. Perplexity AI.
So here's what happened. On July 17th, Perplexity AI announced a partnership with India's telecom giant, Airtel, giving its 360 million users $200 worth of Perplexity Pro subscription completely for free. That's more than the entire population of the United States. This looks like the biggest tech giveaway in history, but it's not a gift. It's a calculated gamble so brilliant, it threatens to shatter Google's dominance and decides who controls the flow of information for over 1 billion people. On the surface, the deal between Perplexity AI and Airtel is a masterstroke of business. Perplexity, the ambitious AI search engine, had a huge problem. They needed users to compete with giants like OpenAI and Google. Airtel, locked in a brutal war with its rival Jio, had a huge problem too. They needed a killer feature to stop customers from leaving. The solution was genius. Instead of burning $1 billion on ads, Perplexity made Airtel's 360 million customers its instant user base. And it worked. The app shot to number 1 in India's App Store overnight. For Airtel, they are no longer just a data provider. They're an intelligent gateway, offering a $200 value bomb that makes their plans almost impossible to leave. It's a perfect win-win. But that's just the surface story. The story for business school case studies. The real story is being played on a completely different level. Inside India, what just happened could be the Jio Moment for AI. Just like Reliance Jio crashed the price of mobile data to near zero and changed Indian telecom forever, Airtel might bring down the cost of AI subscriptions. But how is this not a financial disaster? They aren't getting subscription revenue, but they are getting 3 things that are far more valuable in the long run. They are getting data of 360 million people that are teaching their AI what India wants, creating a data moat that is nearly impossible for competitors to cross. They are training an entire generation of users to bypass Google and think Perplexity when they need an answer. They are creating reliance through sheer utility. Once you've tasted a premium AI assistant, going back to free feels ancient. The cost of free is temporary. The benefit of market dominance is permanent. But here's what's next. Jio is watching this. They will almost certainly respond by partnering with someone like OpenAI to give free AI subscriptions to their 450 million users. Imagine India's biggest telecoms turning into AI distributors overnight. This deal has just made AI a part of daily life for millions of Indians, accelerating AI adoption. And that's just a small part of their global strategy. This isn't Perplexity's first deal. They've already partnered with SoftBank in Japan, SK Telecom in Korea, Deutsche Telekom in Germany. They're not just taking on Google in one market. They're building a global distribution empire, one telecom at a time. While Google and OpenAI are burning billions perfecting their AI models, Perplexity is beating them through distribution. Perplexity doesn't have its own core large language model, and they use the same AI that powers ChatGPT, Claude, and many others. But they understood something crucial. The future belongs not to those who build the best technology, but to those who control access and distribution. Think about it. Netflix didn't win because their video streaming was technically better than blockbusters. They won because they got movies directly to your home. WeChat in China didn't dominate because of better chat features. They integrated payments and became the gateway to everything. The graveyard of startups is filled with better products that never found the right distribution channel. So what is the lesson here? Here's why this matters for anyone building anything today. First, this shows having the best product doesn't guarantee victory. Become someone who sees beyond product perfectionism and find pathways that deliver value to users at scale. Second, your biggest competitors might actually be your best partners. Find what they need that you can provide. And third, in this economy, free isn't a pricing strategy. The cost of free is temporary, but market dominance is permanent. The highest level of competition is making competition irrelevant. You do that by creating systems where everyone wins more by working with you than against you. So before you build your next product, before you launch your next idea, ask yourself these 3 questions. Who already has access to my ideal customers? What do they need that I can provide? And how can I design a partnership where we both win? Because answering these questions is the difference between building a better product and building an empire. And decoding these kinds of invisible strategies is exactly what this channel is all about. If you like this breakdown, make sure to subscribe for more videos and let us know in the comments what you would like us to cover next, and I'll see you in the next one.